That's the work truck coming on Folkston right now. And he's honking just to let people know that he's still on the tracks, even though he's not a train. Oh, and there is a train down there. And yes, that locomotive is a EMD, in fact. Which is actually a good one. I actually got him the honk. But yes, an EMD is leading. Unless if it's that semi down there. There is 2 trucks, so it could be that semi. Oh, that one truck's carrying freight cars. Forgot trucks can do this. So that's why I heard an EMD horn. There's a truck. That's sweet.